Today we are making a Fortnite clone. Our first step is to create a prompt so we can insert it back into the AI so it can give us a detailed program. So pretty much for the first prompt, I wanted the AI to make me a prompt where I can just generate it back into the AI so it can give us a detailed overview of what game we want. The game that we're creating is a Fortnite clone, so I made sure to use Python and that I could just paste the file back into Visual Studio Code since that's what I'll be using to access that game. The prompt has finished making, so now we just copy this prompt and paste it back into Chatgpt. With this prompt, we should be able to make a Fortnite clone. So now we just can sit back and relax and watch it cook. So this prompt did take a couple of minutes to fully go through. Even though it says it took a couple of seconds, it took a couple of seconds to actually make the thought of the Fortnite clone, but it took roughly about 5 minutes for all the code to be pasted in. As you can see, there's a bunch of code that they generate for us. They even told us how to install Python into our computer and how to use Visual Studio Code. So now I'll just copy and paste this code right into Visual Studio Code and I'll be back with the results of the Fortnite clone. After pasting the code into VS Code, this is our results. We have the cartoon battle royale. And the first issue with this is when I press enter, it is not starting. So that is a major bug that is currently in our program. So I'll be back when I fix this bug. So the bug is fixed, so now once we click enter, we should be able to start. So as I'm doing this, I clicked enter, and this is very different than your typical Fortnite. This is definitely a cartoon version. But overall, when I was trying out these attempts, the game was actually working pretty well. Here, as you can see, I was trying out the build feature where it built just things blocking the shots. And as you can see, the health bar of the opponents does go down when I do actually aim and shoot at them. But there's definitely still some fixes that could be done with this. As you can see, I was trying to box myself in, but once I got boxed, it couldn't let me move. And I think the next fix is to make the opponents a lot easier to damage and less coming in less waves. So we just fixed the issue. So we just lessened the bots by roughly 6 of them. So now we have 8 bots where they do less damage overall. So now let's see how it looks. So as I'm playing this game, I am more free to just roam around and kind of just get the ammo, shield, and even like materials. So as you can see, I'm attacking one of the players as I actually do get a kill in this. So in here, you definitely have to have good aim to try to kill them. As you can see, they started like just coming right after me all in different waves, and as I just upon my death over here in about a few seconds. So as you can see, I also used some of the build mechanics where it kind of blocked the builds and that damaged some of the builds. So I gave this one more attempt to see if I could win this game, but as you can see, they're still just coming in so many waves and just honestly shooting the heck out of me. I tried building here, but the build kind of went through really quick. But overall, this Fortnite clone did a great job, and I honestly, from ChatGPT, I kind of give this an 8 out of 10. This isn't your original Fortnite clone as with like the 3D models, but for a cartoon version, I think it did pretty well. If you guys like this video, remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. In the comments below, type what other games I should try to make with ChatGPT. Peace.